There's some huge news that came out on Tesla this week, and that's why I'm doubling down and am very bullish on Tesla. In this video, we're going to review the technical charts, the fundamentals, the news, the facts that are out, and why we should be long Tesla right now. Before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. It helps to get the video out to more people, and I really appreciate it, so thank you very much. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. If you're looking to reduce risk and get more bang for your buck, please download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks outright. There's also a paid course that is very reasonably priced if you would like to dig into the options deeper. Use the link below and open an account with Moomoo. You can get 8.1% on uninvested cash and up to 15 free stocks, 5 for your first $100 deposit and 10 more for $1,000. You also get the free charting software that's great, and I use it every day. It's a zero commission online platform and brokerage. All right, guys, let's take a look at Tesla. This is Yahoo Finance. You can see the price is $196.37. It's actually up 4.81% today. In after hours, it was actually down. But you can look at the 5-year chart right here on Tesla. Actually, what I like to look at is the long-term chart here on trading, or actually, no, this is Yahoo Finance as well. But I kind of drew a line. My target price is around 300. That's much different than what Yahoo Finance has, 179. They've got it lower than where it is today. But I actually like Tesla right here and what they are doing. So let's take a look at some of the news and what's going on. So the Rivian founder, so Rivian in the US is their main competitor. There's really no one else that is significant, but Rivian is burning cash, and they just received a huge over $1 billion funding from Volkswagen, and in turn they're going to share their software technology with Volkswagen, and Volkswagen's committed to providing more funding down the road. So Volkswagen planned $5 billion investment in Rivian. It's a lifeline for their troubled. So they're a sinking ship right now. They're burning, I believe, like $1.5 billion every month. It's huge. And then in exchange for the money, Volkswagen will have access to this single stack software architecture, and this changes every part of the vehicle quickly. So it's great technology and something Volkswagen's been missing. The typical Volkswagen car contains 50 to 70 ECUs, electronic control units, from roughly 200 different companies. So this simplifies that whole process, and it minimizes the amount of wiring and cables that's needed to be installed, and reduces the complexity and the cost. They've had a long-standing headache, like I mentioned, with the software, so this helps them as well, but it's really a lifeline for Rivian. And here's another one. Tesla pushed to cut vehicle cost. See Model 3 priced under 35K. So they plan to introduce models at a cost from around 40 to 20, reducing the cost from 40K to 20K. So they've got some great technology coming out. That's why another reason I like Tesla. I trust in Elon, I guess. The Model 3 and the Y are currently at 40, 39, and 45. So those would be reduced significantly, and that would also allow them to compete better with the Chinese. So right now, like I said, it's just Rivian. They're a sinking ship. So Tesla is really the only game. I mean, they're the best game in town in the US. China has some great EVs. However, right now with the geopolitical tension between China and Taiwan and the US, a lot of people don't want to buy Chinese cars right now, even at the lower cost. And there's just, a lot of risk there in doing that. So is Tesla stock a buy? Basically, this article talks about, $97 billion company, the leader in the industry. They rose 19% in 2023. Um, the PE is 47 right now. It's a 47% premium to the 32 PE of the Nasdaq. They're just comparing it to the Nasdaq. But anyway, let's look at where we are and what I'm going to do in Tesla today. Actually, it's 196 right now. I'm going to punch in Tesla right here. I'm using Tasty Trade right here. There's links down below for both Moomoo and Tasty Trade. I like both platforms for trading options. Moomoo's a zero commission. Tasty Trade is like $1, but I like features on both of them, so I utilize both of them. But if we look at go to the trade tab after we punch in Tesla up here, we see also, if you go over to the right here, Tesla has earnings on 7/17. So I'm actually going to go right after earnings on 7/19. So we will capture some premium, and it may move pretty big. But I'm going to go up here. I'm bullish. So I'm going to sell a vertical spread because I don't want to spend. If I were to buy the stock, 100 shares, that would be, if we go long stock right here, 195.99. It's utilizing $19,000. I want to use much less than that and still capitalize. So that's what's great about options. Check out that course down below. Check out the free options workshop. Tells you a little bit about this. But if we go 190, if we sell the 190 by clicking on the bid on the put side, these are the puts on the right, calls on the left. We collect $6.45 for doing that. And then we're going to have a stop at 180. It's a call, or it's a put credit spread. So we collect $330, $3.30 times 100 shares. Each option contract controls 100 shares of stock. So we collect right away $3.30 is deposited into our account. The max we can lose is the width of the spread, which is $10, or 10 points, which is $10, minus the $3.30. So it's $6.70, which is $670. So we're looking to get within the next 22 days, $330. We get it right away, but whether we keep it, that's going to be determined after the options expire. So I'm going to go ahead, hit review and send. Send. We got filled. $328. We can go to the activity tab. You see $3.28 credit, 6:49 a.m. on West Coast. We go to the position tab, punch in Tesla right here. You can see we're short the 190, long the 180, but that is a bullish trade. If we go to the trade tab and then we punch in curve mode and then analysis, you can see right here that this is what I love about options and what you'll get in that course. We are profitable and keep that $328 all the way down to 190, and we're at 194, so it can even move backward. It can move down in price and we still profit and keep that 330. We can go all the way down here to the, what is this, 186 level and still be profitable. So this is all profit range as long as the stock stays up. That's how you put on a Tesla trade in on the Tasty Trade platform. Now we can also, let's take a look at the financials. So this is the annual, the financials. We've got revenue in the blue, and you can see increasing revenue year over year, and net income as well. And as I mentioned, their main competition is a sinking ship. So they're in good position. The balance sheet. Let's take a look at the balance sheet. Balance sheet. So this is assets and liabilities. Assets in green, liabilities in red. It's increasing as well. So you can see Tesla is a monster. The PE ratios, there's that 47. The gross margin, though, is 17.8. They actually have the pricing power, too. They're reducing cost, and they control the market, definitely in the U.S. Forecast, right now, Tasty Trade, whatever they use, they've got it at 182. So, again, a little bit lower, but again, I'm long right now for all these reasons. The competition, they've got one other thing, they've got, battery technology. They have charging systems set up all over. They've got the autonomous taxis, robo taxis that will be coming out and are being tested now. That can be huge. They've got all kinds of ways to make money as well going forward. So forecast, you can see there's a lot with strong buy and buys as well. So those are some of the factors and why I am long and bullish Tesla. All right, guys, that caps off today's video. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Download the free options workshop. Join Moomoo. Get your free stocks. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're trading. Are you going to buy or are you going to go long Tesla? Let me know. Ask a question. I answer every one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.